and welcome to our class. Our class is 9B and we have tried to focus and emphasize on mathematics, so we have kept the theme of our class mathematics.
Namaste, my name is Preeti Gilbert. Welcome to our class. Today we are celebrating National Mathematics Day, and you can see how we have decorated our class with different types of mathematical projects. The notebooks are there, then trigonometers are there. You will see different types of projects are there. Then also hang or different types of origamis. Is now my fellow classmates say.
And also we have kept some, you can say, here some boards and which actually tries to focus and explain about the circles, the circle theorems and the paths.
Hey, my name is Malajari Sonowal and I am from class 9. So you can see there are various types of 3D shapes. So we can see there are various types of 3D shapes like cube, triangular pyramid, pentagon.
Today our school is celebrating National Mathematics Day, and therefore this room is decorated and we are organizing
Day, and many students often fear mathematics, but it is not like so. Mathematics is very interesting. We can do many things with maths. God has written this language, as often the people say. We can do many things, like we have made this class so beautiful by maths. We can make different shapes, which is like living a life in our own creative way. Mathematics has its own creativity, which can result in many people's own, ending.
Welcome to the shadows.
This is the study room. Here, the students have to solve the math problems and analyze the clues and unravel the mystery. It is the study room. Here, the students have to solve the sums provided here and get the next clue. This whole room is known as a dining room. Lastly, the suspect room, where the students will have to solve the sums provided here and they will get the clues. And after unraveling all the clues, they have to find out.
This is a fun fair that made us learn more about maths. Children these days don't like maths very much because it is too difficult for them, or they are just too bored to do it. This is a fun way to show them how maths is done, and they will be eager to do it because it's so decorative and for their likings. This fun fair has made us learn more about maths.
Namaste, my name is Diyash Sunwal of class 9. Today I am going to show you some magic sticks. So these are some sticks by which we can create many different types of quadrilaterals and angles. So we can see here are magnets attached to it. So if I open this and join these magnets, we can create a triangle. Then we can also join this and this. Then we can create a square. We can elongate this and we can make a parallelogram. We can also join this and make angles.
So, welcome to Justice Den. This is our project themed upon a police station, where we have arranged a police station where the students can experience about being a police and solve riddles and catch the suspect. So our theme was mainly decided by our whole group, and yes, we have prepared it all by ourselves. So here we have written about the articles, all major. So we have prepared a jail here, as you can see. So it is for the last, when the students will solve the clues and get the suspect, they can catch him or her and put him or her inside this.
Everybody stand in their place.
Significance of the day today.
Anyone of you know?
Or this way?
Here students will ask questions.
Questions. So then they will be.
When they
Today we have organized a game on a occasion of Mathematics Day. We have selected the room as a gaming zone. We will discuss about the game. These games are usually played in home, so kids will enjoy the game. In a game there are 3 levels. If they passed a level, then they will move to the second level. After that they will play, and at the last, if they win, they will got a prize. Thank you.
We celebrate the National Mathematics Day. The Government of India declared 22nd December to be celebrated as National Mathematics to mark the birthday of Srinivasam Ramanujan. It aims to spread awareness about the importance of mathematics and the contribution made by Srinivasam Ramanujan. Srinivasam Ramanujan is considered as one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. His contribution to number theory, game theory, mathematical analysis, infinity series reshaped 20th century mathematics. He left behind almost 3,900 theorems and formulas. As he was selected as a Fellow of the Royal Society of London in 1918. In 1911, he published his first journal in the Indian Mathematical Society. Always we will remember his